Alright. Whew. Okay. Alright, let me know if you could hear me. I don't know how to set my mic right now. I haven't done this in a while. How do I do this? Sorry. So how do I... How do I create something and make it show up for both? Oh, true. Okay. Player. Okay. No, why won't it show up? Okay, should it be remote? I feel like it should be sync. Huh. Oh. To be call deferred. As the scene is locked while the scene is being... Oh, but it's not when it's being created. This is after. Okay. So that's not it. Here, let me try. Wait. This will be the host. This will be the not host. Oh, that's working. Is this working? No, that's not working. But this is. And it's not going the right direction. Why is it not going the right direction? Let's just make this updates. Okay. Bump, bump. Oh, oops. Yeah. Oh, update is a thing. Export. Okay. So the host works. It's not going both directions. Oh, they both work, but they're both going to the right. Cool. So that didn't do anything. Why not? I feel like that should have done it. Yeah, that should have done it. I mean, I'm happy it's showing up, but why? What am I missing? Oh, do I need a... I think I got it. Just need to tell it. I think the player doesn't know what the other person's last move direction is, so I'm just gonna... Actually, no. Forget that. How about this? That. Export. Save. Yep. Mario. That's not it. Oh, that is it. Oh. It's just kinda working. But that's no good. Yeah, they're not working perfectly. Why is it only the first one? That's weird. That is very odd. Okay. Oh, maybe if I just stick this after here. Oh, wait. Can y'all hear me? Not really saying anything interesting right now, but wonder if I should be saying anything at all. If no one can hear me. And that wasn't it. So that's an issue. Why is it only getting the last move direction? Doesn't make any sense. Let's do it without this. Actually, let's do... Let's do this. Wait, keep forgetting I have to do that. Ooh. Okay, now I'm not getting anything. Cool. Was it just because of that? No, it was something else. Probably because of me not adding the child. I just looked at Discord. Hold up. You should add an export pack scene yeah, no, I'll do that later. Right now, I just need the hammer to work. Can you just talk on YouTube? Because that's what I'm looking at anyway. The stream Discord was more of a when we had a lot of people watching and there were like 5 different conversations happening at once, but there's not much happening, then just use the stream chat. Because I don't have a third monitor. Alright, what was I doing? Did I export this? No, I did. Still nothing. Cool. Hammer, blah blah blah. How is this different from what it was before? I'm confused. Hold on, let's take that out. Single player, now it works. But when I do put it there, should it just be slave? Should probably just, no, it shouldn't be slave. It should be sync. Wait, let me try slave. Yeah, slave definitely don't work. Sync works. Remote doesn't work, and I think master should work. Yes, okay, it has to be sync. I'm starting to get this. Wait, it's working with that, and that wasn't working before. Okay, cool. Maybe this will work. There's a delay with the YouTube chat, we think. Is there a delay? Or am I just not getting any of these messages at all? Hold up. Let me refresh. I might be dumb. I'm sorry. I didn't refresh the page. You guys have been talking on YouTube. I didn't see any of that. Oh my god. Sorry. Sorry about that. Okay, hold up. Let me go through. Sorry. Okay. Oops. Okay, cool. Let me just, alright, how long have you been working on this so far? I just started working on this today. Like, a few hours total. Are the hammers able to give damage right now? No, not yet. How does the hammer know which side to shoot on? Well, right now it's not working correctly, but I'm just looking at, I'm changing this last move direction. Last move direction is whatever move direction isn't 0, so if he's standing still, then it's wherever he was facing last. So if he was facing right, then it's going to shoot to the right with move direction equals parent last move direction. And what else? Are you reading chat at all? Now I am. Cool. Would you actually want to add the projectile to the game scene and not the player? It is eventually going on the game scene and not the player right here. Maybe I should just do that from there. We'll see. I think this might work. Host join. Bam. And it did not. Oh, now it's not working at all. Cool. That sucks. Okay. Yeah, I was feeling real lonely then. No one was messaging, but I just didn't see any of them. How does the joining player know what last direction is for the host? That's what I'm messing around with right now. I did have it in here. Yeah, hold on. I think I need... For the hammer, seeing as it's only 2 directions, so if you have a variable which is changed to 1 and the player walks to 0 or left, then have the direction that the hammers do. See, that's what I... The thing is, the value, it's not updating. It was updating, but it was only updated after a hammer, and I don't know why that would be. So I think I just need to do last move direction equals P last move direction. You know what, I should actually just do both. It's not even a millisecond delay. Like, it doesn't matter how long I waited between one hammer and the next hammer will always be facing the wrong direction. So it's just something weird with how I ordered things, I think. RPC, did I just call it? Set move direction. I think this might work. Right, save. Okay. Oh, I got it. Yeah, I just needed to do the... I just needed to update the last move direction and stuff before I do it. Sweet, that's working. Awesome. Oh, that feels cool. Okay, now I need to do, like, limit the hammers. I also need it to delete when it's far off screen. Okay. Cool, that is working. Okay. So now I want it to damage the players somehow. The way I want the players to get damaged is that they'll die and respawn. Oh, sorry for the clipping if that clipped. But I don't want to do all that right now. I kind of just want to, let's just have it print the player name. Let's start with that. Super Mario War is exactly what I'm trying to emulate here. Can I ask why you create a slave function as opposed to use the rset and a slave variable? Because I don't know what that is, and this is my first attempt at networking. What is that? I don't know. I don't know. What do you mean by that? Can you not just use a collision shape and stick it to the sprite? Yeah, that's I already kind of started on that. I'm just thinking right now what shenanigans are necessary while doing it with online. It's probably just going to be, I think I got it. I'll just have a body entered thing in here. Body entered, self, body entered. Then function, body entered. Body. Let's make these both players. Body dot damage. And then in here, I'll make a sync function. We'll have a damage number in there eventually. Print name. Let's start with that. Okay. Oh, I should launch one of these with the editor so I could actually see that. I should, yeah, I'll do that in a second. I need to make package with the debug. Host, join. So these are getting errors somewhere. Oh, slave is deprecated. they should. Func body entered, body physical. I don't want to do typed. Body entered. What do you mean non-existent signal? What did I misspell? Body entered. Body entered. Huh? Oh, there we go. Alright. Re-export. Oh. I really wish there was a way to just launch 2 instances. But I get why, because the debugging and stuff, that might not be super easy to just do. But just an option to launch one without debugging that's separate. I don't know. Oh, yeah, see. Is there a way to do it? I googled it earlier and I didn't see anything. What I do need to do is just make it launch with the debug. I'm just forgetting to do that. Alright, has group. Is has group not a thing? What is it called? Is in group? Is that? Yeah, is in group. Yeah, it says in group. So export project, export with debug. Please don't crash. Oh, God, I'm gonna forget to do that every single time. Export project, save, go. What? Wait, let me just try it. Oh, it's working. Cool. So that's one. This is why I disabled it in the first place. Host, bam, player. And if it hits the other player, alright, that works. Alright, sweet, sweet, sweet. Does it work with this guy? Yes, it does. Awesome, 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 awesome. Okay, I'm gonna make it so it doesn't say that. I don't know if that does it. Okay. The hammer is hitting its own thrower. Yeah, that should be fixed right now. Host. Join. So now that's working. Yep, that's working. That's working great. Sweet. Now I just need to make it do stuff, which is the hard part. Let me think. How do I want them to be damaged right now? I need a whole respawn function so that they show up somewhere, but not really far enough along to do that. Wait, there are Discord messages. Is that okay? Never mind. Make them blink. Yeah. I could just... I need to think. Are you gonna create a state machine? Yeah, I probably need one. I'll have like just a dead state, and then what I think I want is whoever mentioned Super Mario War ZS. I think how it worked there is just there is a huge area, and then it would pick a random spot, and it will just spawn it there. I think I'm just gonna have a function to spawn it within this area. Well, for now, I'll just make it at their original location. Spawn position. Equals global position. Look at the Bomberman multiplayer get I linked above. I think YouTube blocked your link. Hold on, let me just Godot Bomberman online. I'm just Googling it. Multiplayer bomber demo. Alright, what is RSet? RSet slave motion. But where is the thing? On the player, yeah, that's, I'm looking at that right now. Oh, it just does that? Oh, yeah, that is good. Okay, yeah, I don't need any of that. Thank you. Yes, yes. I get it. That's cool. RSet. Position. RSet. Wait, let me make sure I'm looking at that right. Oh, slave motion. Why is it called that? RSet. Where does that come into play? If network master. Okay, I think I see it. I think I get it. If network master. Do I need extra variable for that? Yes. Slave variable slave position equals vector 2. Slave variable slave motion or slave velocity equals vector 2. Then they did position equals slave position and velocity equals slave velocity. And I'm also going to need one for move direction and last move direction. Yeah, I'd rather have more variables than more functions. Slave. Oopsie. Okay. And I'll move this somewhere else, I think. Hold on. Actually, I don't care. move direction, and then I could just rset. Wait, how did it look again? Rset slave position, rset slave velocity, rset slave move direction, rset slave last move direction, and then I can get rid of that and that, right? Will this just work? I don't know why I'm deleting all this stuff right now. I'm gonna find out that I did something wrong and then need to go back. But this looks right. Oh, thanks for coming. See you, dude. Oof. Please work. It looks right to me. But your rsets have to be is network master dependent. Yeah, they are, I think. Yeah, that's working. Okay, that's working. Thank you. Okay, that's awesome. Yeah, everything after this bit, I have it as is network master. Okay. Cool. Should I do something with set animation? No, that's good. That's already good. That's good. And that's good. Let me just look at it one more time, because I don't remember if I looked at the other thing. Player 2. Player. Alright, that's working. Cool. One thing I did notice that's not synced is the animation speed. I don't think is the same. Personally, I don't use function calls on the animation player, but instead use a reset for the individual frame of animation the master is on. I don't know. Mine's working. Because I'm also doing some stuff with the, changing the... I don't think the only, whatchamacallit, the only animation that has multiple frames is the running, and I don't think it's super necessary to sync each frame for that one. I don't know, like, if I keep doing more and more of these, how much more bandwidth or whatever it's gonna use. I have no idea how networking is, but I think the running's cool right now. I did notice that the, I am on localhost. I do need to test this. I tested this between computers on different networks, but, like, in my house. But, that shouldn't be an issue, though, the animation. It's just animation. I don't care if it's a little bit off. Okay. Let's see. New unreads. patron. Thank you, Albie. Thank you. Okay. If you export to Linux, I can test it. That would be very nice. Yes. Okay, let me... Are you on the Discord? Can you DM me on Discord real quick? Add Linux. Drive. Oh wait, copy link. Copy link, copy link. Yeah, okay. Alright, yeah, just... I have the link ready when you're ready. What do I need to do next, though? I think there are some things that I am not multiplying by delta. I don't know what I have to. Let me... Because that'll... Well, that's running the same. I think I'm fine. Okay. That's something that I never always know if I'm doing right. If like I'll sometimes I'm multiplying the wrong thing by delta or something. It confuses me. But it looks like that was running the same. Single player. No, I don't think it is. Okay, I'm doing something wrong here. Yeah, definitely doing something wrong. No, that was the same amount, was it? What here am I supposed to like do this by delta? That sounds like it should be. And probably these too. Oh, I don't even have. That's something that I didn't really do in the Zelda videos either. Okay, so that's super slow, but that's only because it's supposed to be. Movement speed velocity should be multiplied by delta. Which one? So that is, if that's multiplied by delta, that does everything else have to be? Because it felt like it... Oof. Oh, I just did that. I'm dumb. that looks right. And then I just need to make it faster. Oh, let me... Alright, we're gonna test this online real quick. Let me get my IP off screen. I'm gonna, hold on, let me do it on this monitor. What's my IP? Okay. So that, and then I'm pretty sure I'm already port forwarding. Wait. You need permission? Oh, permission to the drive. Oops. Let me figure that out. There, if you want to copy that real quick, you can get it. Okay, hopefully that'll work. Where's the export for Linux? Didn't I send that? I don't know how it works. Or do you want me to export it itself? No, isn't that it? The 2 files that are in there? Did I just send you the wrong thing, or is it... Hold up. Oh yeah, I just sent you the wrong folder. My bad. My bad. My bad. Hold on. Wow, I'm dumb. Uploads. Mario. Okay. All right. You got the file. Let me make sure I got rid of that link. Alright. He is downloading it. Okay. I don't know if if it's gonna be like really laggy for you or if it's gonna be laggy for both of us. It's probably just gonna be laggy for you, right? Oh, here it goes. Z is jump, X is run, and hammers. Is it lagging? Because this looks like it's working. I mean, it's a little jittery for sure. But, I mean, it's actually jittery in single player. My platform controller isn't really good. Feels good. Sweet. Awesome. Cool. I made an online game. That's pretty neat. I mean, yeah, there's not really too much to do here, but yeah, that's pretty cool. I mean, sweet. The collisions are weird. Yeah, I can't move right now. So I'm gonna make them not able to collide at all. Please get off of me. And then, yeah, okay. I want to. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna shut it off now. It should have said server disconnected, right? It didn't just crash for you? I don't know how long the delay between the video and the chat is. Right, okay, cool. Sweet. Okay. Server disconnected. Sweet, sweet, sweet. Okay. Awesome. All is working. Alright, so well, the first thing I gotta do is make it so we can't collide with each other. I think just turning layer off should work. Does Godot have an easy way to get ping? Maybe? Yeah, I probably should have looked for that. Response time. Wasn't answered. Hold up. What is the thing called? Feel like it would have been in the network multiplayer ping or peer. How long will this stream last? I don't know. I'm awake right now, so probably a couple hours depending on when I get bored or when people start leaving. How to make your own ping checker? How would you make your own ping checker? It's probably something simple, but I have no idea. I don't even know what to Google to get this. I don't know. Send the time, compare time received with current time. True. Okay. Godot get current time. Don't jam yourself up on it. I'll figure it out. Okay, thank you. I think this should work. Wait, elapsed time in... Oh wait, no. OS get time. This should just... So would I just... Is there one for milliseconds? So would you just subtract one to the other one, and that's your ping, right? And if it's... Let's just... Not sure you want that. What about time zone differences? Would that be a issue? Because it's just... Oh, actually... Yeah, I don't know about that. Count frames since game start. Okay. So... Is there something that just does that? Or should I make a counter? Should I just like in the lobby script, once it's or no, in the in this script, should I just like here? I don't know if this is how you do it. I think people would do that to make timers, right? Oh, hold on, Flux is turning on, or whatever it's called. Nightlight. Okay, so that's counting. So... I don't know. Most of the stuff I'm doing right now, I don't need ping right now. I don't think I'm going to be testing too much over the internet stuff right now. So I'm going to just do fun stuff. So, what did I do? Why is he moving so slowly? Oh, I was doing the delta. I don't care right now. It's not an RPC call to get ping. I don't know. Is there? Oh, this is new stuff. Oh wait, this is just node. I don't know. I don't want to do. I don't want to look for this right now. I will have something eventually, but I try to avoid things that I've never done during streams. Like if I started this whole project on stream, then I would have just been sitting around for 2 hours googling stuff, which is not always the most interesting stuff. I don't know. Maybe you guys like it. Alright, I need the hammers to disappear after a while. Should I just... I can make them disappear when they're off screen, but I'd rather them... I can make an area over the whole place, maybe, and do body exited, or area exited. Or I could just put a timer. Yeah, exactly. Wait time, we'll just do 10 seconds. Auto start. Signal timeout. Hammer. Okay, maybe 10 seconds is a little long, but they should start showing up in a couple seconds. Yes. Cool. That works. We'll set it to 5 seconds. Honestly, doing timers for this purpose is cleaner when you do it solely in code. I mean, this is pretty quick though. So the hammers are there. Let's make it so they respawn. Damage global position equals spawn position. Oh wait, I need to do this multiplayer. Honestly, doing timers for this purpose is cleaner when the hammers are the players. What? What did I do? Boop. Okay, respawn works. High game endeavor. So that's working, and that's working. Did I just hear something come out of my computer? Did I just hear a noise? Never mind. Okay, well, there is a game now, kinda. Who is texting me? Okay. Sweet. So there's something now. I want them to be able to stomp on each other. I'll versus you, sure. Export Linux. Bam. Uploads Mario. Bam. Do the hammers hurt themselves? They shouldn't. What do you mean? No. They shouldn't. The hammers are only looking for players. Okay. I think, Zach, if you just go back to that folder, it should already just be updated. Oh, I need to do mine. Export, bam. Yeah, the multiplayer is really neat. Today was my first attempt at it at all, and Godot's making it pretty easy. Alright, ZS, I am ready to. Sweet. Yep, that's working. So obviously I'm gonna need to limit the amount of hammers you have. Because I could just... The trick is if you're getting chased, you just run back. There's nothing you could do. I'm not gonna get hit. Oh, never mind. Alright. So are you using TCP or UDP? I don't know. I'm using Godot's high-level multiplayer, which is, according to the wiki page, and I'm done, ZS, is something, because they do a whole explanation on you do this or you do this, and then am I right in saying that unreliable RCP or RPC is reliable sounds like TCP and unreliable sounds like UDP. I'm using a little bit of both. If I'm saying any of this correctly, I have no computer education. Is it? Oh, I could. Can I rset unreliable? Rset config. I don't know. Is there a way to... I don't know, it's working right now. There's probably a way to set rset to do RPC unreliable, right? Because that's how I had the initial function set up, but is rset just using RPC? Yeah, UDP coming in the wrong order, I think is... I think it was transfer mode unreliable. Was that right there? Was I looking right at that? Transfer... Where was that? Transfer mode unreliable. Was it a different thing I had to use? Oh! Never mind. It's right there. It's right in front of me. I'm dumb. hammer. I could use R sets for these as well. I don't I don't want to change it right now. I'll do it in the future and I'll fix it later. I'll do R set going forward and then fix that later, I mean. Okay, what did I have to do next? What did I say I was gonna do? Well, first I want to get rid of that. I am aware that it works now. So, goodbye, print. I need to get some water. As some of you may know, if you've been watching my videos recently and do not have an ad blocker, I have been approved as a YouTube partner, and I'm now getting ads shown on my videos. And there's this nice button right here that says play ad, and I'm gonna see how this works while I go get some water. Alright. And if you have an ad blocker, you still probably hear me, but I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. Okay, none of you got an ad, that's cool. Well, cool, whatever. I did press the button. Should I just press the button again? No, I'm not gonna press it again. Whatever. Alright, I lost my chance at a 15 extra cents there. Ooh, you did get an ad. Thank you. I hope you clicked it. I'm not gonna press play ad again. But I will need a pee soon, so we'll see. I need to do stomping now, which I think what I'm gonna do is just get an area 2D. Shape 2D. Grammarly. Ooh. Set this to 2 and this to 6, maybe? What is this? Okay, that's perfect. Pixel snap. Put this down here. And hide that. So what we want to do is make it so if velocity is greater than 0, so they're going down, and the thing's got that, then jump. What do I need to call this? OnReady bar area equals area 2D. We're going to need area, body entered, self, body entered, function body entered. I should just call this, yeah, I should call it stomp area. I was just gonna say that. Yeah, exactly. Hold on. Because I might need more area. Had a lot of issues making foot stomping in my game. You know, actually, I remember having an issue doing something too. I have it laid out in my head, but we'll see. If body dot is in group player and body does not equal self. I don't think I need this, but no, I think I do need it. I don't know actually. No. I don't care. Let's just. And velocity is greater than 0. So export, bam, blamp, bump, chlamp. You will be running it it won't be running every frame because body entered only checks the first time it enters. But I did make sure it doesn't collide with itself there anyway. If I was doing like get area and blah 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 that, then it would. Alright. Cool. Nothing. Whoa! Also nothing. Alright, what did I miss? If body isn't group player. Here, first let's print body. I hate having to export every single time. Also, no, I was just about to set it to not do that, and I just put in a print statement. I don't know what I'm doing. Mario. No, don't hide. What am I doing? Host. Join. There are errors in console. Area is not declared. I'm dumb. Alright, what did I forget to do? Yes, you right. No, I fixed it, didn't I? Your variable at the top is pointing to the wrong node. That's working. But is this working? Is it called stomp? It is called stomp. No, it's good. It's gonna work. This is gonna work. And I don't need to re-export. I didn't make any changes. Name the variable below stomp, not area. I did, didn't I? Hold up. See, things are happening. Invalid operands, vector 2, and integer, what did I? Velocity.y. Alright, this is gonna fix it. This is gonna make it work flawlessly. I promise. There will be no more changes. The stomp is gonna work without anything else. Right here. It's gonna be a shippable game right now. Host. Join. Bam! What did I tell ya? It's kinda working. Name the variable below stomp, not area. What are you talking about? There is no area here. They're all stomp. And what do you mean take out print? The print is all fine and dandy. It's all good. And look, the stomp is kinda working too. Yeah, that was earlier. I'm using these consoles now. Why does it randomly bounce you higher? So now I'm not pressing anything. It's something with how I'm doing my variable jump height. I need to make the stomp only happen No, I need to make the stomp more if you're holding it down. Because what I think is happening is when I'm holding it, it's working all fine and dandy right now. Actually, I don't know. I just need to make it. I like how it is when you're not pressing anything, but if you are, I want it different. It bounces higher when you hold the jump button down. Yeah, it does that every other one. Hey GT Plays, I replied to your comment on my video from today. I just messaged the Discord help channel and I'll get to it soon. Aw, Sears, yes. Thanks for coming, thanks for helping me test. Okay. Now this one is gonna have the perfect jump. This one is gonna rival Nintendo polish. Bam! That's way too high, and it's doing every other one still. Invalid, get index jump. What are you talking about? You're doing it correctly. Invalid, get index jump. What? Input jump, that's it, that's correct. Stomp. Jump. What are you talking about? I disagree. I mean, it's working about as well as I thought. Whoa, Luigi! Whoa, Luigi! Okay. Yeah, that's not right. Check this out. Oh! Oh, hold on, hold on. Hold on. Bam. Out of bounds, speedrunning tactic. Alright, let me figure out what's going on here. Ooh. So why is it not working? Figured out you're using 3.1, but are you using go to 3.0? There's like some fundamental differences between 3.1 and 3.0. I think there's a way that if you edit your Godot like .project file that's in the like it looks like this project.godot. I think you could change it to 3.0. I'm not sure. Like maybe there's a I don't know. I can't debug this right now. I'll definitely help you out tomorrow. But maybe there's something in here. I think if you like try setting config version to 0 or something, then it might work. Okay. So, back to the stomp. I want to say it's something like this. That's doing it. You know what? Let's not even check if velocity is 0. Let's just go for it. Why not? Let's just... I didn't press this. Export. Mario. Yes. Mario. Mario. Ooh. Mario again. Host. Where's my other Mario? I feel like doing these debug things make it so much slower. Right? I don't think it was this slow earlier. So I think if I just walk into him, I'll jump. Yep, we both jump. Oh, this doesn't make any sense. That was really high. That's really high. Yeah, I think it's... Oh, wait. Why did I do that? Shouldn't it have been equals negative jump speed, right? And that should be it here too, right? Like, I guess it wouldn't matter there because you're on the floor anyway. It's only going to check for 1 frame. But for here, it is going to matter, right? Right, I think? I don't know. Oh, I need to export again. Don't care about debug. Let's see if this is faster. Okay, it did it anyway. Cool. Bam. That's it. That's perfect. Okay. And that's still working as expected. I just need to make this less. So I'm gonna not delete the other player. So I could test this in single player. I don't know why I didn't do that to begin with. Where do I delete the player? Is there a queue free in here? There's not. Did I do it here? Yes. Okay. Oh, but I think that broke something earlier. Can I single player this now? Please? Oh, that was the issue. Okay, hold on. I can work with this. No, I can't. We are permanently stuck. Oh, there we go. That's still not gonna work. Okay, how do I... Oh, I know. No, I don't know. If... Here, this is temporary. Ugh. Man, come on. Okay, so that's cool. That's way too high. And that's to be expected. So let's just create a bounce speed. Right down here. Maybe 350? Sounds good. This is it. This is how it's gonna work. That's still high, but it works. And let's make it so it has to be certain velocity. It's greater than 0. We could also make them able to collide again. Because now that it always bounces, it can't get stuck. And then set the bounce speed to maybe 325-ish. Bam, bam. Oh. That's not correct. I'm just gonna make this longer. Bam, 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 bam. Still really high. 310. He still landed on him. It's because the velocity is slowing down. Oh, now I don't need that. And then I'm just gonna set this smaller. This is it. This is it. Oh wait, no. Now this is it. Wait, no. Yes, that. This is it. This is it. This is it. Okay. So we collide now, and eventually I'll make it so I bump him a little bit and he goes back. Alright, I think that's it. I think that's perfect. That's not perfect. Maybe I'll just make him a capsule. Yeah, that works. I'm cool with that. I'm not gonna be doing anything with slopes here. I think 3.1 there's like a thing where if I do a capsule and then a raycast down, then that makes it work really well with slopes. But I don't really need it. I don't like this though. I don't like capsules because then you slip. So I'm just gonna do another one. There. Wait, no, that should be fine. Yeah, I think I'm still slipping off. I'll slip off the top of players, but I won't slip off of other things. I feel like this should be bigger though. Can't remember why I changed it. That still feels really high. set it to, why is it 310 so much more than 300? Oh, I know why. Yeah, what am I doing? I don't need a bounce speed. Jump speed is perfect. In fact, I think I could just do that. That was a measure for earlier, but I made a bunch of changes just now, and I think I just need this. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, this is cool. This is good. Cool. Now I want to limit how many hammers you could have out. How many is in Mario? Is it 3? I think it's 3. Right? 3? Right? I think. I'm gonna guess 3. Maybe? Right? 3. I'm gonna go with 3. Yeah, in Mario 1. Like, I know Mario does, or in Mario 3, how many could you throw out? In Mario 1, how many can Hammer Bros have out? I don't know. Or in Mario Maker, I don't know. 3 sounds right to me. It might also be 2. I know Fireballs is 2. Or maybe it's 1. In Mario 3, is it 1? I don't know. Two? Okay, we'll go with 2. Oh wait, string self hammer. Okay, well, now I had to change the timer. That's still too long. Yeah, we're gonna make just a active play area. I think the hammers are rethrow. Yeah, or I could just make them. This might mess with things because what is it called? This might mess with things. Because I don't know how this is going to work when it's not visible on someone else's screen. So this is going to be a temporary solution. because this is working fine and dandy for me right now. But I don't know how it's gonna work in multiplayer. Maybe below the ground level. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna make it ground level. That's gonna be annoying if I make the levels like able to go high. But I think that's just how I have to do it. Alright, that one went higher. I didn't multiply something by delta. This looks like it's working fine. And if they're far enough off screen that it disappears for them anyway, then it's probably never going to hit them. But if I'm doing something like fireballs, where it's going to keep going, then I don't know. But fireballs will have its own delete requirements, I think. We'll see. I think this is fine right now. I don't want to think about it. So now, what was I just about to do? Let me think. Is that done? Did I finish the hammers? Did I just finish them? Like, it felt like my mind was queuing up to have to do something complicated, but I can't think of it. I could probably remove the timer, but I'll keep that as a failsafe. No, this looks good to me. Could add another power-up now. I could add some actual game logic. I could test hitting the guy. Yeah, should. The other one didn't open, so let's have these two up here. Oh, he's respawning, so that's working. I just want to, like, they're appearing off screen. I think they're working fine. Also, maybe it was 3 in the original, but or 2 in the original, but I think 3 would be better here. So I'm just gonna set them to 3. Let's do a throw farther when moving. That should be not too hard. Yeah, let's try that. That'll be interesting. We'll just set velocity.x to old parent velocity.x at the start. I don't think that did anything. What if I just like multiply by 5 or 6? No, that's not doing anything at all. Okay. But why wouldn't that work? Something with this. This should do it. So take the velocity of Mario and add it to the throw. Yeah, I should just take the whole thing. I think vertically it's already working pretty well though. But let's see how this looks. Actually, I don't think it's gonna work right off the bat. Hold on. No, yeah, I don't wanna do that. I'm just gonna have it. Okay, that's not totally right. I know why it's not right, but how do I fix it? Starting velocity. I need it to be like I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just trying this. I'm not good at math. I need it to be like absolute velocity get parent dot velocity dot x divided by get parent dot speed. Yeah, that's what it's called. Times 2. This is gonna be it. Maybe I should just add the velocity. You're right. But this actually worked. But it doesn't look right, and it doesn't work on that. But I should just add the velocity. You are right. But this is actually, I'm saying actually a lot. Add the velocity. We'll just do that. I did something though. That was pretty neat. Oh, that's fast. What am I doing wrong? Where should I add it? Divide starting velocity by 10. Sure, but or like 20. Still a lot. That's not, that looks good. That way you're still throwing it forward. That makes it really strong, actually. I think the other way might have just been better because it's more balanced. You know? Because that's really strong. That's really, 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 really good. Is that close to Mario 3? It probably is. And that's probably... Yeah, this looks stupid. You're right. It should be that. But that's just, like, really good. I think the distance is actually pretty perfect, actually. Like... The arc looks the same. This, yeah, I like this. Also, I don't think you could post links into YouTube. It gets automatically blocked. But it's cool. I'm happy with it. We're just gonna make hammer power-ups not come often. I'm not sure how I want the power-ups to show, because what I like with how I'm doing this is I have I'm pulling characters from Super Mario Maker, so I'd like to just be able to pick any one of these characters. These are all the amiibo characters that you can get. I'd like to however I show the power-ups, like palette swaps would be hard because there's many different amounts of colors on each of these. Just coloring over them, like setting their modulate, would look, I think, would look dumb. So maybe it should just show up in the HUD or something. Maybe have a little icon below the player showing what power-up they have. Because what I think I want to do for this project is just a 4-player... It's Super Mario War. That's what I'm trying to make. Trying to make Super Mario War, but a little more, just like a little bit larger, and online multiplayer, most importantly. Oh yeah, that's what they did. They just put it there. I think the power-ups in this game, you only had like a couple charges of them, and then they disappeared. Maybe I should do something like that. What I think might be interesting is to have like a running list, like just have little collectibles around the arena. I want the arenas to be like at least 2 to 3 times as large as these one-screen arenas. So I think what would be interesting is having power-up, like collectibles around the arena. Like this would be a fireball collectible, which when you collect it, that'll add to your list of power-ups. And the fireball, it would be just one, and you have a queue of things. Once you get it, it gets added to the front, back or front, I don't know. And then once you use it, then it just happens, and then you lose it, and then the next one goes. So you'd pick up like hammer, fireball, fireball, hammer, 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 fireball, tanuki suit, blah blah blah, and then you would just use them one by one as your list goes through. Does that sound like a neat gameplay mechanic? I just came up with that off the top of my head right now. Maybe certain things will give you like extra, like maybe the fireball will give you 3 fireballs or something. And then with that, we'd just remove the max amounts that you'd have anyway. I don't know. I think that might be interesting. Because I want it to be sort of... The dumb comparison I'm going to go with right now is Battle Royale, where you're running around a big map. It's not huge, just like a little arena. And then it would be like the 3 item slots in Mario 3. No, because... Well, Mario 3 didn't have 3 item slots. It had the big inventories, and then the 3, like, item things were, the cards you get at the end, which dictate how many lives you get. But it's not like inventory, it's... Because it's not like you pick the power-up, and then once you get hit, you lose it. You lose the power-up as soon as you use it. But you get a lot of them, you know? Like... You would run around and pick up 10 hammers, and you have 10 hammers to throw. Or you'd pick up 5 hammers and 6 fireballs, and then you'd throw the 5 hammers first, and then you could throw the 6 fireballs, you know? I thought you pressed select to get the power-up. That was Super Mario World, and it was 1 item, and that was still like... Yeah, Super Mario World. And you still... That's still, you pick up the power-up and then you have it until you get hit. This one, you lose it as soon as you use it, but you would be getting a lot more. You know? And this might just be like an alternate mode or something. I don't know. I just think that would be an interesting way. I'm also not sure if I'm gonna keep this as a Mario game. I might give up on this tomorrow. I'm just playing around with networking right now. We'll see. Oh, someone just commented on the YouTube Super Mario War. I'm just saying your idea wouldn't be unfamiliar. I mean, yeah, there's storage in them, but it's different. It's kind of like, I mean, Super Mario 3D World had, like, if you're playing 4 players and you theoretically have 4 item slots, but it's, you lose the item. Like, I got 1 hammer, I used the 1 hammer, and that's all I got. And then the things will be respawning constantly. I'm actually... The more I'm thinking about this idea, I'm liking this project a lot more. It feels like a fun toy. I also want to figure out how to add in split screen. But whatever. It just sounds like a fun local multiplayer game. Even though I'm using it to learn online, you know? Alright. What's next? Oh yeah, that would be cool. Or have the hammers falling out of an armory. And since there's no like power-ups or a big Mario in this, I think I'd have like mushrooms. Maybe you have maybe there's health in this game. We'd give it like the Mario Galaxy or Mario Odyssey heart wheel thing, with the three life bars, and then you'd pick up mushrooms to replenish life, maybe. And that would be for your, or maybe you should just die and then you'd be getting 1-ups. I'm not sure. I think I like the idea of just getting 1-ups more than health. But health wouldn't... actually, maybe health would be fun. We'll see. Okay, I could, maybe add fireballs now. What's next? 99 mushrooms equals a full life. That's a lot of mushrooms. Could keep the coins around and give that an extra life. Have the same 100 coins for a life mechanic as Mario. Could go stupid with this and actually make a Mario Battle Royale. If I could figure out how to like add arbitrary amounts of players to this, then I would totally do that. A star power up would work. Star would just immediately kill the other player, but the maps would be big enough that they could run away. There's a lot of ideas for this. There's some cool things to be had, actually. Question is, how far am I gonna get into this before I get a cease and desist? Sort of want to add another character right now. Not a third player, just another character. I really like how Bowser looks. Oh, did I even implement crouching? I can't remember. Oh wait, oh no. What did I do wrong? What was that supposed to be? Why do I have 4 frames? Oh, I screwed something up. Yeah, that was messing with me earlier, actually. This guy is supposed to be here. It's supposed to be this. I think that's it. No. 192. Okay. So you yeah, I messed something up. That's not... Is that the skid? Did I lose the skid? Oh. They didn't even make a... No, that is the skid. First I gotta fix what I messed up here. Skid, you are going to be... Uh-oh. Whoa. That's not right. But there aren't 9 frames. Oh, I didn't fix you. That's why. You gotta go here. Bam. Okay, that should work. And now let's just set his texture to Bowser. Neat. Oh, he's off just a little bit. I am getting a little tired. Not sure how much longer I'm gonna stream, but I might stream tomorrow. This has been fun. Oh, you could really see how it's not actually pixel perfect with Bowser. You could see the little bit of the little line under his feet if you look closely. Bowser doesn't feel right. I don't know why. I think I was doing the walk animation wrong. I'm not sure if it's 4 frames or 3 frames. Because I repeated the middle frame. And it looks right with Mario and Luigi, but... Alright, Alright, what else is there to work on right now? Because I don't really want to do a power-up right now. I just did hammers. I should make the game an actual game at some point. Nah, I think I'm gonna call it a night. Hit counter. Perhaps. There's a bug. He's not properly decelerating. Hold on. It's working right now. Well, now it's fine. Oh, there it is. Wait, no, and it's gone again. Alright, whatever. Maybe a character select might be neat. Nah, I don't have enough characters. Nah, I'm just gonna stop streaming. I'm getting tired. Usually when it gets to the point of, oh, should I do this or this or this, when I know there's a million things I need to do anyway, that means I'm getting bored. So, thanks everyone for tuning in. I'll do it again soon. I haven't streamed in a long time because I was nervous, but it was fun. So yeah, thanks for watching everyone. See y'all soon. Join the Discord if you haven't. And if you want to see more Zelda stuff, pledge on Patreon. I'm planning on doing a 3.1 reboot kind of thing once I reach a certain goal. So if that's something you're interested in, do that. But whatever. See y'all.